Hey guys, it's Ernest coming to you live from Malad City, Idaho. I'm here with Ann and Michael. We're starting to move the Jesse James logs. We're starting with the little ones first because we can lift those. The other ones you can see behind me are over 20 feet long and very heavy. We'll move those with the tractor later tonight. Michael, do you have anything you want to show us up there besides your dance moves? Your sweet dance moves. Ann, how are you enjoying your visit so far?
Love it, love it. Come join the fun. Don't miss out.
That's right. We'll be starting a big group work day this Saturday when we'll be laying all the logs out and sorting them by size and type, putting them in order so that we can put them up. I've ordered new replacement logs for the support beams across the bottom. Those will pick up on Friday. And then we will start building on Saturday. Hi, Christy. Hi, Meg. Hi, Savannah. Woo! Jesse James 2018. Love you guys. Bye.